Hi, my name is Camille Suarez and this will be my video presentation. I have observed that setting aside time with a distraction-free environment helps with my learning. I have observed my data would be consistent throughout the week. I would reach aim by the end of the week and would exceed it by the next week for acquisition decks. I have made necessary adjustment by allotting a designated study time within my day. I have studied the importance of radical behaviorism, the philosophical assumptions of behavior analysis, the 4 branches of ABA, which are radical behaviorism, experimental analysis of behavior, applied behavior analysis, and practice guided. I learned that importance of self-care and avoiding burnout, especially in the field. I have also studied the 7 dimensions of ABA. How ABA also aligns with social and emotional learning competencies. I have learned stimulus response classes, cultural competence in ABA, and also diversity in ABA and in the academia. This course has met my personal goals. I have now familiarized myself with using SAFMEDS. I can track my progress with ease. The charts and best of day results make it seamless for me to interpret my data. Regarding this would help me achieve my professional career goals as well with the skills that I have learned during this course. Thank you.